My name is Lisa Ford and I'm an English teacher. At the start of the autumn term, I use enhanced results analysis to influence my teaching plans for the coming year. By looking at the topic analysis for my subject in the previous exam series, I'm able to identify topics and question types that may require a different teaching approach going forward, as well as identifying stronger areas where my students have performed well. I can use the Enhanced Results Analysis tool to compare the performance of my most recent cohort to that of the previous year, and this allows me to assess whether or not any changes in approach that I've made were successful and where my approach could be modified in the coming year. I start by clicking on Marks Analysis, then I'll search by qualification level, exam series, and my subject. I then select View Component, and finally, View Skills and Topic Analysis. This allows me to review how my students have performed by linking individual questions with identifiable areas of knowledge being assessed. For example, for my subject, I'm able to compare performance on an assessment objective basis, which helps when I'm reviewing the way I deliver revision sessions on question structure. Overall, Enhanced Results Analysis allows me to look diagnostically at the questions my students have performed relatively less well in, allowing me to make more targeted intervention.